Omni Aircraft Sales is proud to bring this 2006 Citation CJ3 to market. It is currently located in Tulsa, Oklahoma, and is operated under Part 135 regulation. The aircraft is powered by two Williams FJ4438 engines. Both engines are enrolled on the TAP Blue program. It features the upgraded ProLine Fusion cockpit, GoGo Avance L3 Plus Wi-Fi, new 2023 paint, and updated 2018 interior cosmetics. The aircraft has a total of 7 seats plus an aft-belted lavatory. The interior features beige patterned carpet, high gloss dark wood veneer woodwork, buttermilk leather seats, and Mystique Rustique ultra leather lower sidewalls. The headliner is light ultra leather with a matching upper sidewall. The exterior base is Matterhorn white with English blue, royal blue, and gloss gray accents. Contact us today to learn more about this amazing opportunity.